So I am cooking steak and potatoes. I got the steak sitting, it's thawing out basically, just so it can like cook easier, faster. I just got the potatoes. I think I need to rinse them and then cut them up. I don't think I've ever actually cooked a steak. So we're gonna see. I really have high hopes for myself for this because I just don't understand how I could ruin a steak and potatoes. So I'm gonna get this for let the steak marinate. That's what I'm trying to get at. This is how much I'll do of that. And I'm gonna take this off so I can do the pepper. And then we'll do that much pepper. It don't look like a lot, but if anything, I'll add more. And then I got this Montreal steak seasoning. Yeah, that's the stuff you want right there. Generous amount. And then I'm just gonna let that sit until my steak thaws out a little bit more. So I just washed off the potatoes and now I'm gonna cut them up, and yeah, I'm just trying to prep everything so it's just easier to make. Yeah, I totally forgot to vlog, but I just put the potato, well, they've been on, but they're cooking. The steak is in the fridge marinating. I put salt and pepper, garlic, butter, and Slappy Mama seasoning on the potatoes. I seasoned the steak with soy sauce. There's garlic. I didn't have minced garlic, so I had to use like actual garlic cloves, which I'm gonna have to cook, obviously. Montreal steak, soy sauce, salt and pepper. Put the steaks on, and they smell so motherfucking good. So now I'm just basically cooking them. Okay, I'm gonna take this one off. Then I'm gonna throw the potatoes back in just for a second to get that flavor. So I got, oh shit, hold on y'all. I'm like low-key struggling over here. I'm going to taste test the steak. I'm very scared because I've never made steak before, like I told y'all. But I think I'm very proud of myself and did a very good job. I did that. I did that. I really just did that. Y'all, I really did that. I'm clapping for myself because, girl, I made that. What can I say, though? Y'all. I feel like my true self is coming out in this meal because the Come on, girl, you gotta try this steak. I cooked it up just for us. Hold on, I'll get you a little piece. You gotta try this, girl. Let me try these potatoes because y'all. Please try this. Get up here. No. Come here, I'm gonna feed you. No. Okay, here. Here. Is it good? No. What do you mean no? You're lying. I know you're lying. Come eat. Well, she eating this up here. Good, huh? Literally call me Chef Car because it's over for y'all. Oh my god, I gotta go.